folks, I'm going to tell you 5 quick facts about black bull markets. Now, did you know, number 1, they're New Zealand FMA regulated? Number 2, did you know they have a copy trading service where you can either be a signal provider or copy signals? And number 3, did you know they've got over 26,000 tradable assets, including Forex, crypto, stocks, indices, and even more? And number 4, did you know they offer 500 to 1 leverage? And number 5, if you open up an account today and trade 1 lot a month, they're going to give you TradingView Pro for free. Check them out, Black Bull Markets.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. I'll be doing well. It's Fbomb, and it's another live stream, Monday London session. It is a US bank holiday today, so we're taking it a little bit slower. If we are seeing any opportunities, we'll be a bit more cautious. But for those of you who don't know me, I'm Fbomb, and I've only really been trading this strategy for 5 weeks. It's a pretty good strategy, and all the new people are having a lot of fun with it and making a ton of profit. Me, on the other hand, I made some mistakes, just me being an idiot, really. But like I say, we're still in the game, and it's not over until it's over. So we're just going to remind you what the strategy is. It's very 4 simple things, and you'll learn as we go along as well. So number 1, bear candles only. So you can see on my charts, the only lines that are there are on bear candles. It's either a bullish line on the top, so on the body high of a bear candle, or it's a bearish line on the body low of a bear candle. Okay, number 2 is you focus on candle changes. So the lines on the bear candles, so the bear candles that we focus on, you can see they're either a bearish candle that comes after a bull candle, and there's no close above the body low, or it's a bear candle that comes before one bull candle or a series of bull candles which take out the body high, and that is a bullish bear candle, well, a bullish reference point for us. Now, number 3 is you want to look for an attempt at a rebalance. So I'll just show you an example of that now. So for example, on the AUD USD here, you can see how we had a bear candle here. We had a bull candle that comes directly after it, making this a bullish reference point. And then we have another bear candle, and that's the attempt at a rebalance. It failed to close below, and so it's not invalidated. If it closed below this line, then they would be invalidated. But because it didn't, it's a fail to rebalance. So you want that failure to show that the price is willing to continue going in the direction that it's already going in, so in this case, up. And then to get your entry, you wait for a body break entry. So for this entry in particular, you would have waited for this candle for the body high, which isn't really that far away at the time, to break, and then you would have entered longs, and that's that. Okay, and a similar thing for a bearish setup as well, which you'll see as we go along too. And yeah, I just mentioned step 4. Step 4 is the body break entry. Now, the strategy can be learned for free from a guy who TradingNut knows personally. He is a guy who has spent years trading for banks. And if you want to know the strategy for free, like I say, there's no strings attached. If you want to try it, go ahead and try it. If you're struggling with trading, try it. You know, you'll always have access to us. It's free. The Discord link is in the chat now. Let's just have a look. Join us. Plenty of people have joined us. We appreciate all the support. We have about 300 people, plenty of people in the audience as well. I hope you join us too. I'm looking forward to see you there. Now, let's get to trading. Like I say, it is a US dollar bank holiday. Sorry, US bank holiday or US dollar bank holiday. US bank holiday, and so it is a bit slower. It should be a bit slower today. But like I say, it just means we're going to be a bit more cautious. All right, I'm going to be speaking to the guys in the Discord as well. Every single day we have live sessions. If you want to join us in the Discord. We have a massive audience in the Discord who join us every single day. But yeah, it's glad to see you, and let's carry on trading. My lows is killing me. You all right, guys? Have I missed anything? Did you get in? Nice. Yeah. Does anyone else get it? All right. Right, for the guys on YouTube, I might be quiet for just a minute. I'm just setting stuff up on my charts. Just bear with. This is on another terminal. Just bear with me a minute, and I'll be right back. Also, I've got a pretty bad cold as well. It's been terrible last week. Prop search. One. Get into there. Okay. And I need the templates. Templates. There. Boom. Oh. Got disconnected for a second. Stream. There we go. Apologies, guys. Like I said, I'm just setting something up at the minute. The guys on the Discord are also telling me that I missed a trade on the Aussie just now. Fair play to that. There we go. Prop sets. Boom. Right, there we go. Okay. Right. I need to blow my nose. I'm going to be right back, okay, guys? There we go. Right. I'm back. So yeah, this is with Blue Guardian, mate. This is with Blue Guardian. Right, let me just go back to Discord. Right, so it might be quiet, like I say. If you want to hear us, what we're talking about in the Discord, plenty of good discussions. Just join us in the Discord link. And like I say, it's free. There's no catches. There's no payment for anything. Just join us, and you can learn all the strategies. Well, the strategy and all the content for free. What are we talking about? Yeah. This is the Aussie. I mean, the pound and the euro kind of is going up as well. So, like, you might want to be. Right. So, I want the Aussie there. Yeah, the yen is just abysmal right now. Abysmal. Yeah, we wicked above. So what's IG saying? Pretty blue. Right. What you got your eye on, Peter? Just missing a few bits here and there. Yep. Yep. You getting in? Yep. Just set up on CAD. Right, I'm just going to explain it for the guys on YouTube for the minute. Oh yeah, there's plenty of clean space there as well. I'll be back in a minute. Right, guys, on YouTube. So the reason why I took the sell on the US dollar CAD is because I'm just going to explain the setup here. We have a bearish candle that comes after a bull. This entry could have been taken a lot earlier, but obviously this was a bit of a range. But we have a bearish candle that comes after a bull. We have a bullish candle that attempts to come back up, but doesn't quite get there. And then we break through. The entry should have been here, but we have another leg of entry here. And the reason why we can get in there is because we have plenty of clean space to the left to travel through. And we'll see where it goes. Usually the way that we manage these trades is we sort of look at the market sentiment. So we're looking at, where the market is going. If the Aussie is traveling in the opposing direction, if it continues traveling in the opposing direction, then we will hold our trades because US dollar CAD and the Aussie should be traveling opposite. But yeah, like I say, the setup is very, very simple. You can take multiple legs. I was a bit sort of uptight with them, taking only the first legs. You shouldn't be doing that because you'll miss some really, really good setups, especially when you have clean space like we do on the CAD. Okay, so like I say, we've got clean space to the left. That's what we like to see. It's just a lot easier to travel through for price. We are multiple legs in, but yeah, that's that. Right. Yeah, but Australia's in a bit of a range to the top side, isn't it? It's sort of a diagonal range. So CAD might do the same. The Swissy is bouncing off of a book. What's Caddy's nickname? Just a useless one. Are you still in the Aussie bind, by the way? Right. Yeah, I need to set up my IG real quick. Hold on. Because while I do have IG Solid, I have the IG. It's just they cancelled my old account, didn't they? And I made a new one, but I haven't had the time to create the new watch list again. The DAX has a... There's a Swissy setup, but it's bouncing off of a book if you want, Peter. Yeah. Yeah, that's why we don't trust that correlation anymore. Japanese banker just playing us a fool. With my account, I'm down a fair bit, so I've just massively reduced my risk just so I can continue trading it, that's all. Yeah. Yeah, one in the CAD. It did for me. I don't know about you. I would be liking to see GU buys after Friday's performance. I think it would be a very, very good shout. One second, I'll be back. So TP, so the take profit is usually open. It's around 5 pips, so we try to take 5 pips, especially for the first positions of the day. And then when you build a buffer, you can take a bit more risky positions. But usually it's around 5 pips. The only thing is, sometimes with that, you're throttling your performance because the trades can move very, very strongly in your favor, and you might just get out with a very, very small amount. So we tend to judge it as it goes along. So when it gets into profit, if it gets into profit, we'll look at the other pairs, so like AUD USD, if it's continuing its direction, or if the USD CAD is losing steam, then we'll get out in those cases. Or if they start turning around, then we'll get out that way too. Might stick to the London pairs for the rest of the session. Yeah, because it's a US dollar bank holiday, it's a CAD bank holiday, so probably not the best. Whew. Yeah, where did you get in on Aussie? Fourth candle back. Okay, right. Yeah, I see it. Okay, fair enough. I mean, I'm confident that the CAD will go down. I just don't think they'll move that quickly. That's all. What did you say, Mahendra? Swissy news in half an hour. Oh yeah, I forgot to check the news. Let me check the news. Hold on. I checked it last night, but I forgot. Yeah, CHF, and then low impact euros. That's it, really. Fair enough. It's London Open Swissy. Yeah. Right. It was just a waiting game, eh? Yeah. Yeah, there should be the opposite, though, shouldn't there? But, so one of these is a false move, or maybe both. Yeah, it is. Yeah. I mean, with it being bank holiday, I mean, you'd expect that one, yeah. What kind of impact was it? Ah, low impact. Back in a second. How do I join? You're not able to verify myself. Okay, just give me a username. What's your username on Discord, mate? If you can give me a username, I can false verify you. Let me just see if I can find you. Harry. Where you at, Harry? I'm not sure which person you are. I'm just looking at the people who joined. I can't find you. If you just let me know what your username is, and I will verify you myself, so you don't have to go through all the rigmarole that the verify bot puts you through sometimes. Can be a bit bugged. Usually it isn't, but like for most people, they just get through just fine, or they might not know how to use it. You have to go onto a link on the page, and then you do the captcha, and then you come in, just to prevent bots from raiding us. That's all, because the Discord is getting big really quickly. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just waiting for CAD. If it comes. Uh-huh. Yeah, gonna be some strange markets today. So I'm gonna be extremely cautious. That's all. Yeah. Let's have a look at the dollar index real quick. Shouldn't be doing much, but yeah. Swissy came back down. Super strange, ain't it? Super strange. Say that again? Yeah. Uh-huh. You're right. Let's have a look at it, eh? Oh yeah, the pound is a good setup. I want to take that. Let me just see if it rejected the book. Yeah, no, I like that. For me, it didn't really reject the book. It didn't really reject the book for me. There's no, I mean, there's a book above, but it didn't reject the book for me. It's about like 2 pips away. Underneath. Oh yeah, underneath. Yeah, it bounced off the book below, so that makes it better. Are you in? Just see. Yeah, you don't want to take too much risk, do you? No, I didn't have the chance to get in. Let's see. Yeah, I like this. Yeah. Just have a look at where all the clean zones are. Probably aim for here. Take it up top. Usually after a massive move on a Friday, Monday tends to retrace a lot of the time, doesn't it? At least from my experience. So let me just explain the GU entry to the guys on YouTube. I'll be back. So, to the guys on YouTube, bear with, hold on. Reason why I entered GU longs is because we had a bear candle followed by a bull candle, which takes the body high of the bear. We have a bear candle that attempts to rebalance, it attempts to get below into the body of the bear, but it doesn't quite get there. You know, even if there was no wick, I would have still got in as long as it didn't close below. And then we got the body break on this candle. It is a very, very late entry, about 2.5 pips I'm missing out on, but like I say, I wanted to get it because it looked like a really, really good trade. But yeah, that's about it, really. There's, like I say, it's a very, very simple strategy, and if you want to learn the strategy, join the Discord. It's free. Silver? Oh yeah, commodity. Yeah, I entered very, very late, but it's still moving quite quickly, so it's good. Nice. Still waiting. Pray for me, lads. No, I entered very, very late. I entered very late. Very late. Yeah, it's on a clean space on GU as well. Yeah. There's a fix on GU too, so could sort I aim for that. Yeah, that's 5 pips exactly too, so fairly confident I'll get there. Uh-huh. Yeah, probably avoid USD CAD, right? Because their banks aren't open. Yeah. As soon as I get out of it, I'm not taking that stupid pair today. USD CAD. Good for pound, eh? Good for pound. Okay. Yeah, we can answer. It's just a matter of waiting now. He's got to configure it. So I think he has to configure it. If he's talking about the fixed indicator that's posted in the Telegram, he has to configure it himself for the broker time, and it only draws one line, so you'll have to load it twice for both the Tokyo and the London. If that answers the question, let me know. If it doesn't, let me know as well. We'll be out of USD CAD soon. We should be. It's all right. I mean, we kind of expected, didn't we, with the CAD and the US dollar banks not open. So we see it did end up being a good trade, eh? Eventually. Could see a buy on the euro play out. Yeah. Oh yeah, true. Yeah, when we get close to it, you don't want to enter too many trades. Yeah. I don't expect the UJ to move today at all. Come on, it's the UJ after all. Yeah. Still got about 4 minutes, don't we? Come on, pound. Yeah, I'm still in pound. Just need a couple more pips. Couple more pips. Took a loss on the card. Took a loss on the card there. It's okay. Like I say, with the US banks and the CAD banks not being open, kind of to be expected. Just looking at the clean space on the pound here, I am really expecting it to retrace, but just keep the TP open just in case. But when it gets to 5 pips, I'll evaluate and get out. No, you're still in the Aussie. Jeez. Right. So you look at the US dollar index. The index seems to be, it's moving down and it's retracing a little bit, so may see a bit of a pullback. Could have another buy on the pound if it breaks up. Yeah, euro's looking great. Yeah, just the Aussie being a piece of crap. Uh-huh. Yeah, I would definitely be interested in the Aussie buys. Sorry, not the Aussie buys. Sorry, Euro buys. My bad. I meant Euro. Wait, definitely the Aussie buys. Definitely the Aussie buys. Forget the Aussie. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm still in, mate. I'm still in. Uh-huh. Yep. Imagine it sets up now. Pound buys are looking good. Everything else is moving on with it. Yep. Yeah. We'll avoid that, don't we? Yeah. Where's the Tokyo fix? Yeah, on pound. It's below, isn't it? It's been traded through, it looks like. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, JPY looks terrible. Wow. Yeah, that's terrible. Look at that. Holy. Not surprised though. At all, really. It's the JPY. Yeah, because if you were just a yen specialist, you'd be just kicking stones today. Mahendra's gonna come in and say, "Oh, yen buys." Say that again. What do you mean? Yeah. Uh, oh. Yeah. Yeah, you got our card as well. You got taken out. All of us did. Yeah. I have a feeling it should, but just based off of Friday's price action, I'm fairly sure it will. But anything could happen. There's plenty of clean space still left for buys, though, isn't there? So, and is the IG blue? What's the IG saying now? Before we go into, is it awesome? Yep. Yep. The euro and pound will hopefully give us some really nice buys through all that clean space. That's really what I'm banking on at the minute. Yeah. Massive wick on Swiss, isn't there? So just be a bit careful of that. Yeah. Yep. Exactly. God damn, guys. For real. Yeah. I feel like he'll give it the push down that he needs. Yeah. So the opposite of euro and pound. Yeah, I'm still in. Pound. Yeah. No, it's just because I entered late, so that's all. That's good. That's good for the pound and the euro. Aussie just being an idiot. Just ignore that stupid ass pair for today. I mean, if the CAD's not on, you know, yeah, it's just if the CAD isn't on, then you know the Aussie is also pretty bad in that case. That's good. Really good. Monday plus a bank holiday plus like plenty of reasons why I shouldn't trade. Uh huh. Yeah. They're not moving in sync. Uh, yeah. Like the yen. My God, look at that pair, bro. Look at yen. Absolutely disgusting. Yeah, scalping for 1 pip in that 8 pip range. And 1 pip is spread, bro. So you need you need 2 pips just to make any profit on it. You need double. Like do you also look at session breaks? Do you mean sort of the timings of the sessions, or what do you mean? You just explain that for me. Um, specify what you mean by special session breaks. If you mean like you know which sessions do we trade, it's just an hour before London, so Frankfurt, and then about 2 hours of London. Uh, and in terms of the New York, I don't trade New York, but there are traders who trade it in our Discord. And Asian session, I don't trade that either, but a few of the Australian traders they trade the Asian in our Discord as well, and sometimes they do it live. But most of the time, well, pretty much every day we trade live. Session high and lows, yeah. So they can be relevant. So I'll just put that on screen. So session highs and lows they can be relevant, but we don't really use them in the strategy. Like you can get away with the technical strategy if you know how to avoid bad markets. It's just I'm me being me, I wasn't very good at avoiding the bad markets. I woke up knowing that the markets were really, really bad and I would still take trades. Like today, for example. But today I'm being a lot more cautious about it. I mean, besides USD CAD, I mean the pound was a good trade. It's a valid trade. I just entered very, very late, like an idiot. But no, we don't look at the session highs and lows. They can be, like I say, good reference points just with basic support and resistance. But yeah, it's not a definitive part of the strategy. Can you guys still hear me? Okay, good. Oh yeah, 4 minutes. Yeah. Yeah. Gotta love Switzerland. So someone's fighting in your house. Oh, I was like, what's going on, mate? Who needs to lock it out? I'll come over. Hmm. One sec. Should we trade Frankfurt open? So usually Frankfurt is just bonus trades. We tend to wait through it and just see what's going on with the markets, but we do take trades in it, obviously, as I did today. London Open is usually when the best trade setups happen, though, because we have volume and all the markets players are involved. You want all the banks that are supposed to be active. So London Open is the best time to trade, but we can take trades in Frankfurt too if they are good setups. And what a good setup is, usually you want clean breaks, you want a clean price action, you don't want wicks all over the place. You know, if it's wicking off one bit, then wicking off another in both directions, then you probably want to avoid it. Like USD JPY, right? Let's be honest, yeah. You wake up and you see this, you don't want to trade that at all. I mean, I don't even want to look at it, to be honest. It's just an eyesore. So stuff like that is what you want to avoid, obviously. But that just takes a bit of common sense. But yeah, so like I say, it just depends on the price action. When you get to the screen, if in Frankfurt everything's raging, you probably want to wait until London Open. So it just depends on the day and the price action on that day, and that's really it. But we do take trades in Frankfurt and London both, but the best trades happen in London. Weird. Euro and pound going in opposite directions, eh? Uh, yeah. Yeah, and he was just released. But that's out of the way now. News just hit. The Swissy. Let's have a look at the So what are we waiting on? I just joined late. Welcome to the stream. I'm in GU buys at the minute, but because it's the US dollar bank holiday, we are taking things a bit slow. So nothing's currently setting up at the minute. Just chilling out for a little bit, waiting for pound to come in, and if it comes in, if it doesn't really matter, like I say. But yeah, just waiting at the minute and trying to be cautious. That's all it is today. Like I say, it's a US bank holiday, so. How far am I with the challenge? I'm actually down quite a bit. I'm down pretty much. I've almost blown it. I'm like 7.5% down. But that's because, like I said, I've explained in the recap video, it's just because it was user issue. I was being an idiot. I was I was taking trades knowing that the market conditions were unfavorable, and we had discussed, okay, the market's going to be unfavorable today. Let's be cautious. I would still take trades. I don't know why. It's just me. It was my mistake, and I can accept that. But then again, I'm human at the end of the day. We all make stupid mistakes. Blow counts all the time. Hey, the pound is going. That's nice. Yeah. Probably done its job now. Yeah, I'm still in pound, yeah. Just waiting. No, unfortunately not. It hasn't hit my take profit. Well, I mean, it hasn't even gone to 5 pips. It got up to 4, and that was about it. Not even 4, it got to like 3.5. Mm, Say that again? Mm, yeah. Tighter, yeah. For real, for real. Yeah, Swissy does not want to go below that line. Just does not want to move below. For real. And again, what can you expect? US dollar is picking up strength. The yen will just continue going for like 100 pips now. I'm sure of it. It's just going to continue going. It's just going to blow up. Right. I'm getting it now soon. look at the the DXY. Yeah. Yeah, it just looks like I had to pull back up, didn't it, on the DXY? Yeah. Yep. Yeah, what happened? Got my Hendry. He's always doing something funny. Yen seems to be turning around. What an odd pair, eh? What a strange, strange pair. Yen. He just had a massive work. Yeah. The stupid one. Whoa. Whoa, whoa. What's going on here? What's going on here? Yeah. Reduce my risk a bit. Just reducing my risk and holding it a little bit. I need. DXY just fell. Yeah, it's just falling now. Yeah, it's confirming my bias though. I mean, I wanted the pairs to continue going up and go through all that clean space on Friday. So that's kind of the play here that I'm thinking of. Uh-huh. Yeah, it's definitely going to close like that. There you go. Nice close. Brilliant. Brilliant. That's what we like to see, hey? Yep, there you go. There you go. Right, I'm out a pound with $18. 7 pips apparently. Yep, I cleared the last loss on break even for the day now. Good trade. Good trade. That was 7 pips, smart trader. That was 7 pips for me. Say that again? Yeah, I mean, I had a chat with Cameron and I had a chat with Kaiser as well, but the first leg thing was just something that I made up. I think I took a comment from Cameron where he said that first legs are generally like the sweet spot for good trades, but you can take the second and third as well. It's just at the fourth, that's when you want to kind of reconsider, what the market conditions are. But I made that up. It was an arbitrary value. It's not really meant to, you're not meant to do that. And I realized just how many good setups I'm missing just because that Kaiser was taking, that Peter was taking, just because I was limiting myself to first legs. You know what I mean? So that was my fault. So I've just sort of, yeah, 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 yeah. You've got the framework. You've just got to build the rest of it. I would have held. Yeah, I would have held GU, but I'm pretty happy with what I got, to be honest. Yeah, with what today is US dollar, Canadian dollar bank holidays, mate. I don't want to hold for too long. I think I pushed my luck there anyway. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. I entered late. I entered very, very late. I held through London Open, so a 7 pip take profit is the most I could ask for. This is more than what I could ask for, really. Yeah. So how long have I been trading overall? So with the strategy, about 5 weeks before this challenge. This is why I'm making the stupid user issues, the user mistakes that I made. But overall, probably about on and off for like a year and a half, maybe on and off. Like it's been really, really on and off because I've had work. But um, yeah, it's been on and off for about a year and a half total. Holidays do indeed kill markets. Yeah. Yeah, it's about as bad as it can be for trading, isn't it? Yeah. What is Aussie doing? What someone explain to you what Aussie's doing? Uh, yeah, exactly. Crying without it. Potentially, I'd be happy to take that. How big is the stop? The stop looks massive. Massive. Yeah. Yeah. Ridiculous. You taking it? I probably miss out just because it's a doji on mine. It's the start of a new 15-minute candle as well, by the way, and it's moved to the downside very aggressively, so it could be a fake move. Yeah. Yeah, they're not in sync, are they? They're not in sync at all. Hmm. No, you're completely right, mate. Completely right. Yeah, so sorry guys. The people I'm talking to are the people on Discord. If you want to join us in the Discord, I'll post the link for you. We have a large audience, and we've been getting a lot of support from you guys. Appreciate every single bit of support. Join us and see the strategy free. All the content is there, all the videos. It's in a very organized little space for everybody, and you can discuss your trades. You can talk about trades, about the strategy and people's success with it, etc. And you can join us every single day. We trade every single day together in the London session, and we want to see you there. All right. Right. Yeah, pound is just gonna keep going, I think. I knew it. I had a feeling. I was like, yep, when you usually see like that big move on Friday, when Monday comes, it usually retraces through quite a bit of it, more than half of it most of the time. Yeah. Yeah. Are you still in, Peter? Good on you. Good on you. Of course, he's gonna keep it. Yeah. He will smash through it. Yeah. Are you babysitting? It's all right, mate. Don't worry. I've got you back. What do you think of the? For real? Are you in Euro? When did you get in? Oh wow. Okay, that's crazy. Oh, so you took it at the break of the high? Ah, right. That's a good trade, mate. That was a really good trade. Well done. Yeah. Your stop must have been a bit big, though, innit? Ah, yeah, yeah. Okay, so you put it at the low, didn't you? Yeah, fair enough. Fair enough. No, good trade, mate. Good trade. Just looking to the left. There was a bit of clean space, wasn't there? Oh, yeah, that was gorgeous. Yeah, nothing there at all. That was a good trade. Brilliant trade. You get a double dip on it. Yeah. Uh-huh. So IG white and yellow. Sorry, not yellow. What am I saying? Blue. The helmet's on top. 6 pips. the time. I like it. Yeah. We're 2 minutes away from candle close, so I'll take it if it appears. Just going to post this markup for the guys on Discord. Awesome. What? 24 pips. Gee. Yeah. This is all clean space above, so, you know, I might take that, to be honest, to the next leg. Uh-huh. Yeah. Prepare intent to pound buys. There we go. I'm in. Yep. I'm gonna have it wide for a little bit and see what the price action says, and then I'm gonna reduce it. My take profit will be like 20 pips though, so. Just because of the direction that the pairs are moving and IG and everything else is, you know, and obviously Friday's price action is very, very clean to the downside. So. Oh, look at DXY. Yeah, DXY is starting to retrace a little bit as well. It's okay. We may have a little bit of a retracement. Yeah. It is what it is. Mm. It's all blue, eh? Yeah. Yeah, we get Aussie. Useless pair. Yeah, he took massive profits on the euro, didn't he? Mm. Oh yeah, he took a trade on the Aussie as well. I didn't know that. I forgot. Yeah, yeah. Forgot. I thought because I only entered Canada, I missed the Aussie as well. So there's Kaiser. Yeah, for real, it just disappeared. He's lying, by the way. Yeah, he's too good for us. He's too good for us. Yeah, that's exactly. 10% up. Yeah. I don't see any other setups at all. Ooh, what the hell? Look at the yen. The yen looks so stupid. The pound isn't moving in the direction. Yeah, can't expect much from it. I'm still in pound. Yeah. Yeah, I wish I held my original position. I would have been up 12 pips, but I wanted to hold it all the way for like 30 pips, but you know, don't want to do that on a day like this, do you? Is it? Ah, yeah, now it is, yeah. Well, I mean, the candle before was, yeah. That's what we like to see. Keep moving. Stupid DXY. So to everyone on YouTube, like I say, the reason why I'm quiet is just because we are speaking on the Discord. If you want to join the Discord, we do live sessions every single day. We've got a ton of following now, and appreciate all the support. Like I say, and like I say, just join the Discord for free. There's no payment for the strategy. There's no payment to access Cameron, the guy who teaches the strategy. It's all free. The education. Try the strategy out. If you're struggling with trading, if you're having a rough time with any other strategy you're trying, or you're just finding your footing, give this a try. It's very, very simple, like I say, and if you avoid bad markets like today, you will have a much better time trading. It's about making hay when the sun shines. It's about trading when the conditions are right and they're favorable. Obviously, the US dollar, their banks are closed today. It's a bank holiday, and it's a Canadian holiday as well. So the markets aren't moving in as harmoniously as they possibly can. But like I say, still trading it just for the live stream. Really, if it was my choice, I wouldn't really be trading today at all, just because of the bank holiday. I've always lost money on bank holidays. They're just never really been good in general. But yeah, just showcasing the strategy to everybody. And like I say, join the Discord. It's free. and go to the Start Here channel. There's also an FAQ to know why we're doing this for free as well. It is for everybody's benefit. Euro rejecting off a book. Aussie doing bugger all. Swissy flying. What's going on with Swissy there, eh? Trust. Nah, he probably did. I know he did. I can just tell it with his snarky voice. I know it. I know it. Yep. Well. Yeah. Don't jinx it, Andrew. Don't jinx it. For real. As soon as you say, oh yeah, it's going, it's just gonna dump like 900 pips. Kaiser, can you sell the GU please so it hits your stop loss and he goes up for us? Thanks. He's not taking one for the team today. Look at him. Who's that? Let me have a look. Hold on. Yeah, I won't. I'm going to butcher that, so I'm not going to pronounce it either. That's not how to pronounce that, mate. I'm interested. The toy? I'm not sure. Yeah. Be my bee. If it pushes through the book, yeah. I mean, if it closes instant book, you could take it perhaps, but oh, yeah. Yeah, you're right, actually, yeah. Yeah. Hmm. Yep. Just gonna continue holding that. I'll probably take it to the next book, which is like 20 pips away. Can be done for the day. Yeah, if it gets there, mate, I'm done for the day. It's done. Uh-huh. Yeah. Let's see, where is the London fix on that? Oh yeah, sure. I mean, the London fix for me has been traded through already on the Swissy. Yeah. The pound is not liking that movement on Swissy, is it? Let's just have a look at the dollar index. Yeah, dollar index is going up, putting pressure on the pound and the euro and the Aussie as well, which is already going down too. So yeah. I think he just means in general what book is. That's literally just the lines, so the candles which are inefficient. Yeah. So when a bear candle hasn't had a close in within the body or beyond the body, that becomes an open book. And until we have a close into it, it remains as an open book. It's bouncing off our book now. The origin of the move. Oh yeah, I don't have the Tokyo fix on my chart. Yeah, you're right. Do, do, do. Let's go. Aussie had the Tokyo fix. Awesome. Yep. Awesome, mate. And pip up. Not even a pip, actually, rather. In terms of... Yeah. Aussie and CAD moving in completely opposite directions to what Euro and GU and Swissy were doing. Yeah, that's what we like to see. Go down, Swissy. Get low. Towards my take profit. I'm very, very confident that it will continue up. But like I say, we'll see what happens. And fuck the Aussie, man. Who gives a shit about the Aussie today? Yeah. Yeah. Should close above though, I think. Hmm. It is a bit rangy, yeah, but the 1 minute is sort of the trajectory to the upside if you have a look at it. That's the only reason why, like I say, that I'm biased towards longs is because of the Friday price action. And the IG is blue as well and everything else, but we have to bear in mind as well that it's bank holidays in Canada and US, so what we expect might not happen. So you are right, Mahendra. Yeah. Yeah. It's nice. And well, this guy. Yeah, he has his voice on like a loop with his video. I can totally imagine Kaiser doing that, just sat in his dark room on his bed, just Cameron saying "Happy days, happy days, happy days" in his headset, just over and over again for hours. Yeah, we should do that. We can do that as well, with Discord now. You can add sounds. We should do that. Someone find give me the timestamp in the video where it says happy days and I'll add it. Yeah, give me the timestamp, I'll add it to Discord. Yeah, we'll just spam it. Happy days, happy days, happy days. just spam it. It'll just be a soundboard of things from Cameron. Yeah, happy days. The clean space, you mean? Oh, a gap. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's like around. I mean, it's about 50 pips away from you, isn't it? Yeah, could go up there for sure. Yeah, well, I mean, you can see it on most time frames, but on some brokers there's no gap though. So those are the only things I don't like about gaps. Like some brokers don't have it, some brokers do. So they're not as reliable as we want them to be. He's probably in longs. Yeah. So why did he continue holding even through the rejections? I don't get it. Okay. I don't want to hear anymore. Yeah, Euro's starting to push on now. Which is good. That is good. That is good. call it a day after this trade. I mean, I don't even know if I'm gonna. It might take a couple hours to get there. I don't know. So this is very, very quick. Yeah. I owe you a beer, Pete, if it does get there. We'll go for a pint or something. Oh yeah, if you are, just let me know, mate. We'll go to a pub around here if you're free. Yeah, you can have 5 beers and drink here. I mean, drive. Yeah. Pete has a lot of experience with it. He just won't stop with that, will he? Yeah. Just send it to me on Telegram or something. Yeah. Perfect. Gotcha. Just do a little recording of it and then add that to Discord. Cheers, mate. I got it. Yeah, the DXY is going up, isn't it? That's why. Yeah. Still in. Yeah, because my stop is at the low, like nearest low, isn't it? Yeah. Hmm. Someone's phone vibrated. Still some. Yeah, but he lost 2 trades, didn't he? So he made it back on Euro. Yeah. Man. God damn. What are you holding it to? The top book? It's like 15 pips away, isn't it? Well, I mean, 15 pips from your entry. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm. After this pound trade, I'm calling it a day there. Don't want to carry on trading through these conditions. It's not good. Yeah, and the pound, innit? Yeah. Whoa, there was a sell setup on the euro, wasn't there? I missed that. I missed that. My bad. Right. Yeah, it would have also went against USD CHF, so yeah, it wouldn't have been a good trade anyway. Yeah, that's nice. It's because the Swissie's dying. Let's look at the DXY real quick. Shee-hee. DXY going down now. What does this say? Wait, I was just looking on the IG feed. It says 67-year-old millionaire regrets not teaching his kids these 6 top money lessons when they were young. Is this about Cameron? I'm kidding, Cameron. If you're hearing this, I'm joking about it. Don't worry. I know you're not 67. I know you're about 70. uh, 69. A good age. A really good age. Hell yeah. Oh, pound. Just give me a break. Just trying to get off here. Don't want to trade on a bank holiday. Give Pete his money. Give me my money. uh, it's just the stream, and I don't want to say. Well, I could say yeah. I'll I'll let you guys know how it turns out on Friday. Sorry, say that again. You lost one pick today. Yeah. On a, yeah, on a bank holiday, mate. That's phenomenal, mate. Sorry. Good. What changed for you then? Uh-huh. So what changed for you? What did you, just out of curiosity, what helped you sort of? And he stays out of bad. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, you can get in now. You can still get in, and it's the GBP USD, it's the pound USD. But it is a bank holiday. Just keep that in mind. Manage your risk. Don't risk too much. It is a technically valid entry, and that's why I took it. Let's close this one. That's good. This one moving down. Happy days. No, I mean, I'll add it, don't worry. I'll add it at some point today. You can add custom noises, I'm pretty sure, to your microphone. They added that very recently. You want an echo to it? I can add an echo. What? So like one of the videos the YouTube video when I had his voice in it, sounded sexy, didn't it? He did though, didn't he? Yeah. Oh yeah. I don't know. Maybe you want to add his voice. Whew, whew. It better break now. If it don't break, I'm gonna fucking kill somebody. On CS:GO. Wait, so say that again, Mahendra. What are we talking about? Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yeah. uh, yeah, they're sort of all moving up now, so it's good. They're all in unison. Mm-hmm. Yeah, don't ever talk about the JPY ever again. Thank you. Yeah, they're both. Never mind. He's rock hard. In more ways than one. Yeah. Oh, man. What a snooze fest, eh? Snorex. But then the good news is above all this BS here. There's just a ton of clean space until the next book. Oh, don't want to move my take profit. All that. Yeah, it's closed above the close of the candles. So I'm satisfied with that. Heart. Yeah. Yeah. I'll be back. So I've seen I got a few questions on YouTube. So this pair, by the way, is GBP USD. I'm pretty sure I mentioned it before. It's the pound US dollar. What are the lines? So this indicator is the prop sense indicator. I will put a link to it in the description. You don't need it. You can draw the lines yourself. But it is a pretty handy indicator for the people who want to use it. Because I don't like drawing the lines, it wastes a ton of time, and sometimes you miss trade setups. Sometimes you miss trade setups when you're busy drawing lines on the chart. So I just have an indicator to do it for me. As well, comes with the daily target panel on it too, so you can track your progress through the day. So that is the prop sense indicator. It will be on MT5 fairly soon. I am just getting the developers on it because I'm not the best coder. I coded the prop sense indicator as a new programmer. Coding it on MT5 is a bit more difficult for me, but I will have it replicate onto the MetaTrader 5 source. So that will be done as soon as possible. But it isn't on MT5 just yet. Any trades? Yep. So I'm in the pound US dollar buys. This is the last trade of the day. I'm not going to be taking any more. I'm just going to call that a day after that. Okay, that's that. Have I missed anything? On what? Yeah, there's a US bank holiday, Canadian bank holiday. He's still taking it. Holding it. Does it give a crap? What's the DXY saying? One second, I'll be back, guys. Okay, so for the guys on YouTube, yeah, please, how do you use the lines? So the way that the lines work, okay, they're not order blocks, they're not supply and demand, they're nothing like that. So I'm going to explain the 4 rules again, okay, for the trade setups. So the first rule is you focus only on bear candles. So if you look at my chart, right, the lines, whether they're red or blue, so red is bearish, blue is bullish, you can see that they're only on bearish candles. So a bearish line is on the body low of a bear candle, and a bullish line is at the body high of a bear candle. Okay. Now, I'm going to explain the lines to you now. So like I say, number one is we focus only on bear candles. Number two is you focus on bear candles with a candle change. So for a bullish line to appear, it has to be a bearish candle. So let's look at this one here. If you could really see my crosshair, this black candle, this bear candle, which comes before a bull candle, which takes the body high of the bear candle. Okay. So that's the bullish scenario. In a bearish scenario, it is a bear candle, very simple, a bear candle that comes after a bull candle. Now, step three is you look for an attempt at a rebalance. So I'm going to explain it with a setup over here. Let's look at the euro, for example. Okay, so an attempt at a rebalance is in a bearish scenario. So we have the bear candle that comes after a bull. There's no close above the bearish line. If it closes above, this line will disappear, making the setup invalid. But we want a bull candle to print. We don't want it to take the line. We want it to print. We want it to show that it wanted to come back up and make this price action efficient, but it doesn't. And so then that's step three. That's a failure to rebalance. It tried to rebalance, but it failed. And then we want the step four, which is the entry, the body break entry. So at the low of this bull candle, when it breaks, we take the entry short. Okay. For a bullish scenario, you have a bear candle. This was a trade that I took. Actually, no, this was the trade that I took. We have a bear candle here. We have a bullish candle that takes the high. We have a bear candle that tries to come back into the low. Even if this wick wasn't there, even if it did not touch it at all, we don't focus on wicks at all. It's just the bodies. We want the bear candle to print, but we don't want it to close below the line. Okay, if it closed below the line, it would be invalidated. Since it didn't close below, and then we have step four where we break above the body high, we entered the longs. I entered very, very late. That's why my entry is here, but I should have entered there. So we entered there, you would have got you 5 pips there. Okay, probably more if you had held like I did. I held to about 7 pips. And the same thing with this entry over here. So we have a bear candle. We had a bull candle that come after it, which took the high. We had an attempt at a rebalance, which failed. We tried to come back down into it. This bear candle printed, but it did come below. And so that shows that the market was willing to move back up. What happened? We broke for the step four, body break entry, and I took the buys, and I'm still in them. And I wanted to hold them just based off the price action and the strength of the US dollar, well, the weakness of it rather. So that's how you use the lines, okay? So the lines are just there so you don't have to draw them. So it's very, very easy for people to get on. Is there a similar indicator on TradingView? Yes, there is. If you join our Discord, I'll put our Discord in the... There is a free version on the TradingView platform, which somebody coded for us as well. So if you want to use that, feel free to join us on the Discord. You can have a look for it. Just ask your questions in the general chat, and we'll post a link for you. All right. What's going on? Awesome. And the low. There was no entry for us though. Yeah, on his broker feed there was an entry. On ours there isn't. If GBP USD breaks above a bit more stronger, I'll just reduce my risk and I'll just call it a day. I'm going to end the stream and I'm just going to let it run. Can't really be bothered watching this shit. It's going to take hours of it. Is the Dixie going up? Or look, yeah, it is a little bit. Yeah, still holding the pound. Are you still in it, Pat? Yeah, yeah, yeah. With. So the take profit on my trade is the next book. So it's here. Let me just get the price for you, mate. So it's at 26471. So on your broker, wherever this book is, wherever this line is, it's this bear candle, this fat bear candle after the bull candle. The low of that body is where my take profit is. That is where I'll be holding to. If this closes above, I'll just repeat that for you again, just in case you didn't get it. It's 26472 or 71, whichever it is on your broker. 2647. But yeah, I'll be holding it through there. If it does close about 5 pips above, I will move my stops to here just to reduce the risk, and then I'll go about my day and I'll leave it as it is. And I'll update you guys on the position on the Discord on how it turns out, whether it's a loss, whether it's a win. Hope that answers your question, Sky. Yeah, be done with the day. Yeah, that's what's giving Pound a hard time. Back in just a second. Right, guys, I'll be back in just a moment. I'm just going to turn my camera off for just a second. I'll be right back, all right? Don't go anywhere. All right, guys, I'm back. You got an AU? Ah, okay. There was a setup on it just now, though, wasn't there? Say that again. I'm in the buy on pound. Are you talking about Aussie or? Oh, okay, okay, okay. I got you. I got you. So, guys, like I say, thing that I'm waiting for is the pound to move up. I'm in buys currently. I don't know if you can see with the panel, but I'm in buys currently. I'm just waiting for price to move up at least about 4 or 5 pips so I can move my stops a bit, decrease my risk, and get off the screen. And then I'll update the guys on Discord how this trade went. My take profit is about 20 pips. So I'm just waiting really for this to move. It's been a bit rangy just because the DXY has been, well, the US dollar has been sort of up and down and putting pressure on it. But the pound does seem like it wants to go up, obviously, with the clean space from yesterday. I'm sorry, not yesterday, Friday. And this strong move. Generally, you see retraces on Monday, sometimes pretty much all the way. So I'm just banking on that at the minute. Like I say, I'm just waiting for it to get into profit for a little bit. If it does, and then I will reduce my risk and call it a day there and end the stream. For everyone who's just joined the stream, I may be ending it very, very soon, just because it's coming to the end of our time period. But I will continue to hold GU throughout the day, and I'll check it at the end of the day and give you guys an update on the Discord. If you want to join the Discord, like I say, it's free. The strategy is free to learn. It's comprehensive in terms of, the access to the education. You'll learn a ton more. The guy who teaches the strategy is known by Cam Hawkins, by TRADINGNUT. His name is Cameron as well. And he has been trading within dealing desks of banks for decades, for several years. So he knows his stuff, and the access to him is free. You can have one-on-ones with him for free. If you've tried the strategy and you're struggling with it, most people tend to get a hang of it fairly quickly. But like I say, if you do struggle, you're entitled to one-on-ones with Cameron every weekend. We have one-on-ones with him on Saturdays. Just make a ticket in the Discord. Otherwise, go to the start here in the Discord, and you will see the content. It's literally 2 YouTube videos on the strategy itself, and then there's a bunch of other helpful resources. And there's not much to go through. We don't overwhelm you with information. It is fairly simple in terms of the execution, and it's technical. The technical side of things is very simple to grasp. But other than that, really, there's not much to say about the strategy. It's fairly unique. It's not like SMC or anything like that. It's quite simple. It's literally just a sort of pullback breakout in terms of the technical thing. But the way that the framework that the strategy is built upon is when the market is moving in one particular direction, continuing and wanting to continue based off of the other pairs that you see, then it's very easy to get in. I mean, you can get in with moving averages, you can get in with almost any strategy, but if you're going in with the alignment of where the wider market is going, in most cases you'll win anyway. So that's really the framework. The technical side of things is literally, bear candle is literally just a bear candle and then an entry. The body break entry, that's literally it. So in a bullish scenario, you have a bear candle, you have bull candles after it, which take the body high, and then you wait for another bear candle, which doesn't close within the original bear candle, and then a body break entry for that. So you wait for the second bear candle to have its body high broken, and then you enter along. And for a sell, you have a bear candle that comes after a bull candle. And you want a bull candle which appears, which fails to move into the body, to close into the body of the original bear candle that comes after the bull candle. And then you want the body low of the bull candle to break, another body break entry to enter shorts. That's literally it. It's very simple, very simple. And you can watch the videos on the theory as to why it works and why the banks literally function in this manner. From a guy, like I say, who has spent decades working within a bank. Join the Discord, it's free. Go into the Start Here channel and you will see everything that you need to see to get started on this strategy. We have to sit through GU, bro. You know. Yeah, we're still, I'm still in GU. No, go on, it's there. There we go. Yes, man, I can verify you. What's your username on Discord? I'll verify you right now, man. Just let me know what your Discord is. What's your username? Whatever your username is, I will have you verified immediately. I'm having a look for you now. I can't find your username, and just let me know what you called on Discord, wherever your name is. And when I have the name, Lawrence Lowe. Okay, gotcha. Gotcha. Where you at, Lawrence? There you are. Okay, and let me just verify you. Just bear with. Bot logs. Lawrence Lowe. Just trying to find you, mate. Hold on. Just trying to find you, mate. Hold on. You can send a message anywhere. If you can create a ticket, I'm not sure. If you can create a ticket, I'll verify you as well. Just let me know if you can see that there's a ticket. I can see Acroft in the welcome. I just can't see you, Lauren. That's all. I've verified you, by the way, Acroft. So you're in Acroft. You should be in. But Lawrence, I can't see a username anywhere. I can see it in my logs, but I can't see that you're in the Discord. I have verified you though, Acroft. I'll send you a friend request really quickly. Lawrence Lowe. I'll send you a friend request in case. I'll just send you an invite and you can join. And yeah, you'll need to press the verify button. And when you press the verify button, I'll be able to see what your username on the logs. I just can't see your username here. Minute. Hold on. Verify. See if I can find you on here. Hold on. There you are. Okay, there you go, Lawrence. Apps force verify. There you go, Lawrence. I've manually verified you, and you should be a member now. I've just found you. My bad. Sorry it took some time, but I've just found you there. You should be verified. Let me know if you're verified, and yeah, carry on as normal. What's good? Missed anything? Yeah. Good to hear, mate. Perfect, Lawrence. taking his sweet time, eh? The DXY can just go down, mate. It'd be nice. Help us a bit. Yeah. Come on, pound. That's what we've been waiting for about 5 years, isn't it, Pete? Oh, come on, man. I'm wicking now. Yeah, I'm confident I'll continue up, but just a matter of when. Mm-hmm. Vanuatu. Hold on. I'll be back in a second. Hey, just joined. Hey, Harry. Nice to have you here. What's your TP? So my take profit on this pair is pound. Oh yeah, this is covering it a bit. My take profit is 26472. That's what my take profit is. Reason being is because we have clean space, and then we've got an open, inefficient book here, which needs to be closed. And just generally because the price action suggests that, well, the stock markets are positive at the minute, meaning that the US dollar should be weak, suggesting that the pound should continue up, and also that the Friday price action, we had a massive move down. Generally, when you have a big move on a Friday, Monday tends to retrace it when it's like this. Most of the time, at least from my experience. And with the clean space and the price action that we had today, the core setup, obviously with the bear candles breaking, it was a very, very decent setup for a buy. I did already take a setup as well. You can see here, 7 pips. I should have held it, but I didn't buy. Re-entered on another buy just to take it. And I've been in it for quite some time now. But yeah, I'm planning to hold it to the end here or to my stop loss. I don't mind. And my plan right now is wait for it to move a few more pips. Once it's moved up to about 5 pips, I'm going to move my stops, and then I'm going to call it a day. I'm going to end the stream, and I'll update the people on Discord to what happened on this trade. And now for the people who haven't joined the Discord, here is the link. Like I say, it's free. You can learn the strategy for free from the guy who teaches this. Cam Hawkins knows him personally. He's a guy who traded within the dealing desks of banks for several decades. So he'll be a very, very interesting person for you guys to meet. And I implore you to come and just give it a try. It's free. You can't really lose much. And join us. We have a very large audience right now. A ton of support from these streams and from the wider community, and a lot of people who have been enjoying the strategy. Just people who are starting out and finding their footing. They're having a ton of fun with the strategy, and they're applauding how simple it is. But yeah, that's about it really. Hopefully the stream will end soon. I've got about 15 minutes left until I go. And yeah, until then, I'll stick with you, and let's see how it goes. DXY should be falling. Yeah, it is. Huh? What did you say? Oh. Who? Where's Christian? Yeah, I haven't seen him for a bit. Is he in? Ah, okay. Right. 20. Oh, five right now. Like, if it gets to 5, I'll reduce my risk and I'll just leave because I don't want to watch this all day, do I? It's probably going to take a couple of hours. Yeah. Oh, yeah? How did that go? What the hell? Maybe we should start. Yeah, we should start trading the DXY from now on. I could do with an extra 2,000. Oh, whoa! It gapped now. Finally, bro. Holy crap. I've been waiting for this moment. There we go. There we go, guys. That's what we want to see. Be quiet, Mandra. I love you, really. Right, I'm moving my stops. Yeah, I'm just going to talk to the guys on YouTube. I'll be back. Right, to the boys on YouTube and the girls on YouTube, ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of another stream. Thank you for joining me. Any chance I'm short in gold? I do not trade gold. You can trade gold, but with the strategy, it's 10. You know, you're meant to trade the forex pairs with it. For gold, it moves in a slightly different way. It's more related to bonds and it's more related to fixed prices, settlement prices, which you can learn about if you join our Discord. Ask Cameron, just PM him or ask him in the general chat. He will give you a solid answer, better answer than I can. You have to understand, I've only been trading this strategy for like 5 weeks before this challenge. So, you know, he knows everything about that there is to know about the market. So just join the Discord, give him a bell, ask him whatever questions you want to ask him, and see if he will give you a bit more information about gold. He should do. But this strategy is only for the forex pairs. The reason why I trade these pairs in particular is because every single pair is a derivative of the US dollar. So that, for example, the AUD JPY is calculated using the AUD USD and the USD JPY put together. And like I say, if the whole premise of the strategy is to trade the most efficient price action, you want to be as close to the action as possible. And so that's why we stick to the US dollar pairs. And it's also just a good way to see what the US dollar is doing. If I'm entering the AUD USD, I want to see if the USD CAD is moving in the opposite direction. If I'm entering in the euro, I want to see if the Swissy, the US dollar Swiss, is going in the opposite direction, etc. And on the GU and the UJ are a little bit less correlated, but that's just because the yen likes to intervene, and they don't really give a crap about the people in the West. They just sort of do their own thing, But for the GU, I look at the EU and the AU to see if they're doing the same thing. But other than that, though, like I say, we trade the forex pairs. I'm going to call it a day here. I'm moving my stop to a little bit lower, a little bit higher, but lower in terms of the risk. Just because I don't want to lose too much off the screen. I'm not going to be watching this. I'll look at it at the end of the day and let you guys know on the Discord if it comes in or if it goes out. And what happens to it, but I will be holding it, okay? I'm going to post the Discord again for the people who want to join. Have a good day. I will see you on Friday, unless there are free streams throughout the week. I will join you then. But until Friday, take care of yourselves, trade safe, and have a fantastic week. See you later. Bye-bye.